8 Post-Nasal Drip Natural Cures. You know what's really annoying in the winter? A runny nose. It can be quite irritating to rub your nose all the time, and a runny nose has been known to be painful as well. However, there's something worse than it: post-nasal drip. It's often a symptom of a bigger respiratory problem and manifests by mucus dripping in your throat, which is gross if you ask us. Pay attention to your nose. Our nose is prone to different conditions, including common allergies and infections such as sinusitis and rhinitis as well. Post-nasal drip occurs when the sinuses can't get rid of the excess mucus properly, so it ends up back in our throat. The condition can be quite uncomfortable and irritating, as you'll constantly feel like you need to clear your throat. Furthermore, every time you cough or sneeze, a bit of mucus will end up in your mouth. Yuck! Although doctors recommend supplements and warm tea as a way of resolving post-nasal drip, there are many natural remedies which can help. The treatment of the problem depends on the cause. If it's allergies or cigarette smoke, you should limit the use of irritants in order to resolve the post-nasal drip. Identify the cause, and the problem should be resolved fast. The best natural remedies against post-nasal drip. Salt water gargle. Gargling a bit of salt water for a few minutes will thin out the mucus in your lungs and relieve inflammation, effectively preventing the mucus from dripping back in your throat. Just add a teaspoon of sea salt in a glass of warm water, then gargle the mixture for a couple of minutes. Stay hydrated. Drinking at least 8 glasses of water every day is vital to keep everything in your body working properly. Staying well hydrated will keep your nasal passages hydrated as well, reducing the amount of mucus and the risk of post-nasal drip. Thyme and ginger tea. Both thyme and ginger are powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial agents which can resolve the problem effectively. Add a teaspoon of dry thyme and 1/2 a teaspoon of ginger in a cup of boiling water, then steep the mixture for 10 minutes before drinking the tea twice a day. ACV. Apple cider vinegar is rich in acetic acid, a compound that can easily relieve post-nasal drip. Add a tablespoon of raw ACV in a glass of water and drink the mixture twice a day for best results. Eucalyptus oil inhalation. This oil has expectorant and anti-inflammatory properties which make it an ideal remedy against post-nasal drip. Just boil a few cups of water and pour it in a bowl. Then add 5 to 6 drops of eucalyptus oil and inhale the steam by leaning over the bowl with a towel over your head. Peppermint oil inhalation. Peppermint oil contains volatile oils which can bring down the inflammation in your sinus cavity and nasal passage and thin out the mucus. Inhale some peppermint oil for 10 minutes and you will already feel better. Saline nasal irrigation. Neti pots have always been considered one of the best post-nasal drip remedies. The saline solution can relieve inflammation and prevent irritants from causing further problems in your nasal cavity. Use the neti pot as instructed on the package and you'll resolve the problem soon. Humidifier. Inhaling dry air in your home can irritate your throat and lungs and make them produce more mucus. Using a humidifier is a simple way of moisturizing the air and preventing problems such as post-nasal drip.